Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah. So in today's video, sorry, you can probably see my sports bra again, but whatever. We're going to be doing this DIY bath bomb kit. I've never made a bath bomb before, so you're going to do it with me, folks. But I got this actually for Christmas. Like, we did a white elephant and I chose this. Obviously not knowing what's in it, but I think it'd be a really cool idea to figure out how to make one together, right? Yeah? Okay, so I'm just gonna take it out of this container actually. Ooh. So you actually have a little thing to make the bath bomb. We're gonna put it over there. You have, can't get it out. All right, you have the lavender essential oil. Anyways, also don't mind my face, I don't have makeup on because why would I be wearing makeup when I'm about to take a bath? And look at this. A pipette. Does anyone know what a pipette is? I do. So I'm gonna take the colors out. I wonder if I have to like put it in a bowl or something. Probably. I'm gonna go get a bowl and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just grabbed a white bowl. And we're gonna put the stuff in there. So I'm just gonna kind of like set it in the sink over here, but let's just actually zoom you guys in so you can actually see what I'm doing. All right, so we're gonna start off by reading the instructions. If you can see it, rip. So I'm gonna read the instructions. All right, step 1, follow steps 1 through 4 on opposite page for each color. Empty 1 bag of colored bath bomb blend into a small mixing bowl. Let's go with some blue. Let's open it up. Let's dump the whole bag. I guess so. Pour it in there. Now, first add 14 drops of water with the pipette, then add 5 drops of the fragrance oil. Well, I'm not gonna get a cup, so we're just gonna build this up ourselves. All right, so we need 5 drops, 14 drops actually. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just gonna push the rest of that out there. Now, 5 drops of the fragrance oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, thoroughly stir mixture with the spoon for 1 minute. I'm gonna go grab a spoon. Okay, so I grabbed a spoon and now we're gonna mix it up. Okay, it's starting to form like sand. Just stir for 1 minute, pressing the mixture against the sides of the bowl, like I have, okay. Add 2.5 tablespoons of the baking soda to the mixture. Mix well with spoon and use fingers to break up any clumps. The bath bomb formula is ready once it holds shape when you squeeze the mixture in your hands. Okay, well, I'm gonna go grab a tablespoon because I didn't know we needed one. So I'll grab my tablespoon. It kind of seems like there's oil in it from like something else, but you know, whatever. Grab some baking soda. 2.5. So 1. 2. And a half. There's that. Mix it well. So it says, the bath bomb formula is ready once it holds shape when you squeeze the mixture in your hands. So we're going to squeeze it in my hands and see if it holds shape. Okay, well, it's holding a shape.
Of sorts. What happens if it doesn't?
In the mixture, scoop each half of the mold in the mixture until they are overflowing. Press them together to pack the mixture tightly into a ball. Add more mixture to the mold if space allows, or if the ball isn't holding its shape, leave in mold for 1 minute. Well, let's grab the mold. All right, so we grabbed the mold, and we're gonna just put some in there and push it together and see if it holds. So we're gonna push together. Probably need some more, so we're gonna just hopefully it works. So we're gonna let this stay in this ball for 1 minute, and I'll be back to show you if it stayed. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I took it out of there, but it's not really holding its shape, so we're just gonna make it ourselves on one ball. We're just gonna, it's like sand, really. We're just gonna form it together. I might have just made it worse, but we're just gonna throw this in the tub and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, it actually worked, but my fingers are a little dyed, and I'm kind of scared to get in it because it dyed my fingers a little blue. So if I come out, I'm probably gonna look like this. But I'll let you know how it goes and update you, because I don't want you to try this kit if you're gonna turn blue like me, or yellow, or pink, like these other colors. So I'm gonna get in for a bit, see how it works, and I'll be back to let you know. Okay, so I took the bath, added some bubble bath to it. Well, just body wash, but it bubbled up itself. And I would love to conclude that I'm not blue. So, actually I do recommend this. I don't really know how much it is. Let me go check, because it could be on the box. Also, don't mind me my robe. This is literally a robe that my dad got me for like Christmas in like 8th grade. So, kept it. But, I don't know. Doesn't say. But if you're wondering, it's the Body and Earth DIY Bath Bomb Kit. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. But you might like want to add more water to it or something when you actually make the ball, because it does form. You saw it. I just couldn't get it to stay together, so I just threw it in there. And I also ended up throwing the rest of those in the bowl too, so I actually just used like 2 bath bombs at once. But anyway, yeah, so it wasn't bad. It was actually really relaxing, and I highly recommend it. So if you're wondering about a bath bomb kit, here's one for you. Alright, well, I'm gonna try to edit this video and my vlog that will probably be up before this video. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. And see you next time. Bye! Look at these. They still have them in here. I painted those. I think it's like when I get stressed out, this like inflames itself or something. Papakala, you know what I'm saying? Also, I need to get my hair done.